Hi, I'm Paula and I'm going to teach you how to make a Spanish potato omelette. So let's go! To make the omelette, we need olive oil, salt, 4 eggs, 3 potatoes and an onion. So let's begin. First of all, we peel the potatoes, we wash them and dry them, and we cut them into thin slices. Then we peel the onion and cut it, also into thin slices. We pour enough olive oil into a frying pan. When the olive oil is already hot, we throw in the potatoes and the onion, and we add salt and mix it. We let it fry until it's done, but not very fried. Then we let it drain so it loses some oil. Now we wash the eggs. We separate the egg white from the yolk and pour them into different bowls. First, we beat the egg whites so the omelette is curdled. We add salt to the yolks and then we add them to the bowl. And we mix everything. We pour some of the oil in which we fried the potatoes and the onion into a smaller pan where we are going to make the omelette. While we let the oil heat up, we add the potatoes and the onion to the bowl where we had mixed the eggs, and we mix it. Now we pour the mixture into the small pan. We let it simmer, and in the meantime, we mold it. When it's done on one side, we turn it around with a lid or a plate, or with a tortilla turner, and we let it be done on the other side. And it's done. So I hope you liked the video and understood how to prepare it. So goodbye.